Pop. Eat. For more details.
Hello, this is Thomas Button, and you're listening to WPPK out of Melbourne, Florida. Coming soon to Open Mics, Sounds and Nebula will be hosting their own CD release party with Hot Dog Force, Electric Splash, and Tank Top. August 10th. Don't be late. Doors open at 7. Sit back, relax, and listen to these long-legged beauties from Sounds and Nebula as they play their new CD release, Tuesday night. Signing off, Thomas Button.